Hello knitters, this is Cindy Dell. I'm just going to demonstrate how to place a bead using a crochet hook. I have one bead placed. These are the beads I used that were pre-threaded. These are not. So I'm just going to knit up to the place where I need to place my bead. My crochet hook is thin enough to put a bead on. I just am going to take that stitch where I want my bead and put a little pull on it, and then just slide the bead onto that stitch, slip it back, and knit it. It's very simple. I'll show you again. Place your bead on. Go into the stitch as if to purl. Keep this taut, the stitch, and slide the bead down the stitch and slip the stitch back onto your needle. I've got a little bit of there. And then you knit it. Do it again. Pick up the bead. Slip that stitch onto your crochet hook and slide the bead down and slip that stitch back onto your left hand needle and knit it. Last one. Pull it down, slide it down, put it back on the left hand needle and knit it. Now there's a couple of things to notice. These were put on using the pre-strung method. These were just pulled up and knit in. These were used with a slip stitch. And you can see when you pre-string your beads are, these are kind of looking funny, but you can see that they are, the beads are vertical here. Here they're more horizontal. And when I place the bead on a stitch here, it's on the row below. So it's the stitch below. So you just want to keep that in mind when you're working with beads. If you want it on a specific row, you're going to want to make sure you're putting it on the way you want it. The other thing I want to show you is the beads that are kind of knit or pre-strung. They're pre-strung and then just knit on. They kind of recede to the back. The slip stitch, you can't see them from the back. And the ones that I used a crochet hook with, placed, they are visible on both the front and the back. I hope that helps.